I'm not going to let you do this.
Yes, you are. You're going to do exactly as I say.
If the Queen and King of Cookie Kingdom want to sign the application, before the desserts argue again about it, I could do it, and I might have a suggestion. I think there must be a competition. All hail Hobo Cookie! All hail Hobo Cookie! The Queen and King of Cookie Kingdom are retiring to rule the Fruits and Veggies Village, and a new Queen and King should be...
You sure a competition for any king would work?
What?
But Mayor Pie-Eye, a competition might be too rough. Don't you think should be whoever kisses a prince first?
Ma'am, we don't let the popes kiss, we let them compete.